I don't do a lot of commission work, but occasionally I will do a one-off prop or costume design at someone's request. And that's kind of what I did here. This is going to be a wrist cuff based on the H.P. Lovecraft mythos. It's going to kind of be designed as a Cthulhu cult type of a thing. You can see I use the laser etcher to etch this star on the leather here. But anyhow, originally this was supposed to be a live stream, and my camera died on me and had a lot of other issues with footage and stuff like that. So essentially I'm just editing all this together and kind of showing you the design process from start to finish for this cuff that I made. So you saw the original pattern design there, and as you can see, I'm starting to lay things out. And this is kind of how I do things sometimes. I just kind of do it on the fly, make it up as I go along, and that's the way the build works. If I make a mistake, I just fix it and move on. And here you can see how I had all those pieces dyed up separately. After I laid them out, I kind of know how they're going to go back together now. So let's do that. And here I am putting the pieces together, at least that last panel on there. And this was part of the live stream footage that didn't originally work out, but I was able to salvage this part of it at least. See, we still have to do some bending and some forming, and that's it. But here we go. I'll just go ahead and show you the final product. Hopefully you liked it. This is how it turned out. So anyhow, there you go. Just the design process for a very simple one-off type of prop costume design. Maybe it gave you some ideas, maybe it didn't. If it did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave me a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.